to tell you how to create a PayPal account. Our PayPal account is used for if you want to sell or purchase from internet. So what you from if you want to, even you can, if you can purchase it from online as well. So what you do is open the paypal.com website as mentioned here. Open it and just click on sign up now. Now I am signed up now. I am residing in India, so location is residing is India, right? You can choose any country it is mentioned. So if you want to create an account for business, there is two options: an account for individual or an account for business. So if you are planning to do part-time job or just purchase and sale, so you go for the option gets account for individual. Click on get started. In this you can see lot of fields, right? So you have to fill all the information here, right? Choose the password, re-enter first name, what's your first name, yeah, ABCD, middle name Vinay, last name, all the information you have to fill, and after that you have to click on agree and create an account. So now I have an own account, so I am going to log in on the PayPal account. After your creation of the account, you log in on the paypal.com and click on the login button. Here my account is metavine24@gmail.com. I will give the password. And now it is logging. The screen is like this, so you have to wait for 2 or 30 seconds mainly. So you can see after your creation of the account, you can see the portal is like this, right? So in this you can see the overview of the payment, withdraw history, resolution center, profile. In the profile you can edit email what you have given, add or edit bank account, edit credit card, add street address. So if you want to transfer money from PayPal account to your bank account, or even from bank account to PayPal, you need to edit the detail in the bank account. Click on the add or bank account. I have already edited the bank account in there. You can also remove auto withdrawal account, remove or add. If you click on the add, it will ask for the bank account information, so you have to give the bank account information. And also if you go in profile and you have to want to add the credit card information, you can even give the credit card information as well. So you need to give the credit card information, because to validate the PayPal account you have to add the credit card information. So we need to, if you want to purchase anything from online, so this is a very good option for India as well as for other countries. So that's today's in section. I have told you about how to create an account, how to use it, and how to add an account, bank account, how to add a credit card. That's it for the session.